Hi everyone, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a fun acrylic pour with these pouring acrylic paints from Arteza. They were kind enough to send these to me to try, so we're going to do a traveling paint kiss acrylic pour with them. But first I wanted to show you all the colors that come in this set. There's 32 bottles and the bottles are 2 ounces each. They're pre-mixed and ready to pour, so all you have to do is just give the bottle a good shake and then you're ready to use them. Super easy. I'm all about the pre-mixed ready to pour paints. I love mixing my own colors too, but I just find it so easy to just use pre-mixed ready to pour paints because sometimes by the time I'm done mixing up my colors, I don't even really feel like painting anymore. And when you can just grab a bottle and pour and use it, I mean, why not, right? So I'll link this set down below in the description and Arteza's website as well. And I have a coupon code for you guys too if you want to try any products from Arteza, any paints from them. So be sure to check out the description box. I will link everything down below. But this set is just awesome. It comes with a few metallic colors. This red here is a metallic. It's a beautiful color. I'm really excited to use that one. And they give you 4 bottles of white, which is nice because you always use white in your acrylic pours. Well, at least I do. I always seem to use at least a little bit of white. There's a phthalo blue, ultramarine blue, a few red colors, 2 bottles of Mars black, a really pretty metallic silver, metallic gold, metallic bronze. Just any color you could want is going to be in this set here. So today we're going to be doing a pour with all neon colors. This set has quite a few neon colors in it, so I felt super inspired. And, you know, with everything going on in the world right now, I feel like some color would just put a smile on my face at least. So I'm going to go in with the neon green, the neon orange, neon yellow, neon purple, and neon pink, and white. And I'm going to be using 6 bottles for this pour. It's a 12 by 24 traveling paint kiss acrylic pour. I've been obsessed with that technique lately. If you guys haven't seen any of my other videos, be sure to go check out my videos list. I've got lots of other traveling paint kiss acrylic pours that I've done lately. So these are 9-ounce cups. I'm going to be using 12 ounces of paint total. And I basically just poured half of the bottle in my first cup, and I'm going in my second cup here with the other half of the bottle, and I'm just alternating colors. So I'm gonna put my cups, or not my cups, my bottles of paint on the edge of the canvas here after I'm done pouring them out. So then that way any excess paint can just kind of flow down, go onto my canvas. And I'm just doing that around the edge of my canvas here. And after I'm done layering my cups, I'm going to lift those bottles up off of the edge, smooth out the paint that ran out with my gloved hand here, and this is going to break the surface tension and help your paint glide a little bit easier. I found that helps me anyway when I do this technique, but check out these bright colors. They were just popping. I was like, whoa. So I'm just going to start in the bottom left corner and pour at a slow, even pace and make my way up to the top right corner. I was just loving the neon green, and I usually hate green, but for some reason I really love this neon green. So I'm going to go in with a little bit of paint that was left in my cups here, just hit the corners so my paint will reach those sides there, and then we'll start tilting and see what I can come up with. These paints are on the thinner side, which is fine. Everything worked out great with this pour. All the lines stayed put. And when you shake your bottles, you know, you're going to introduce some air bubbles in there. So what I would do is just let them sit for about 30 minutes. And then that way some of those bubbles will pop in there. Before you pour them, I would just give them a really good shake and then let them sit for a little while. So that's it. I'm just about done tilting, but I am loving how this turned out. All the fun bright colors. I'm going to touch up the edges right here and make sure all my corners are nice and covered with paint. And then I will bring you guys in for a close-up. Okay, so here we are. It's the bottom left corner. It's got some really fun lines. The neon pink, neon purple, and white are really fun together too. I wish I had some more of those colors because I would just do a pour with just those colors and see how it turns out. So what I'm going to do is let this guy dry. It's a bigger painting. It's probably about 3 days to dry, but look, there was a little hidden heart that showed up there too. So I will show you guys what it looks like when it's all nice and dry and hanging up on the wall. And here we are. It's about 3 days later. It's all nice and dry. The painting dried with a really nice glossy sheen. It looks like the painting is already varnished, but it's not. It's just how the paint's dried, which I absolutely love. These paints were really easy to use. I really liked working with them, and it was fun to step out of my comfort zone and use some neon colors in my painting today. But check it out. You can see up here in the top right hand corner, see how you can see the pink coming up underneath that white? There's a couple sections on this piece that are kind of transparent, which is nice. It gives you some really fun depth. And I love the center section with all the different lines and colors showing up through there. I really like how this one turned out. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. I'm stepping out of my comfort zone and using these neon colors. And if you guys want to check these paints out, check out my description box down below. I have a link for the product and a coupon code for you guys too, so you can get a discount on any Arteza products. And be sure to go check out Arteza's YouTube channel too. I'll put an end card screen at the end of the video. Just click that and it'll take you straight to their channel. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I appreciate you guys so much. I hope you liked it, and if you did, go ahead and leave me a like, hit that thumbs up button, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. And another thing that would help me out is if you guys go check out a few more of my other videos or even a playlist. I have an acrylic pouring playlist, so I will link that down below in the description as well. Thanks again, guys. I'll see you on Wednesday for another video. Bye!